Hey guys, welcome. My name is Brittany. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make pinto beans in your Instant Pot. There's no soaking required and they'll be ready in less than an hour. Let's get started. For this recipe, I'm going to be using 2 cups of pinto beans and I have already prepped and washed my beans. Next, you'll need 5 cups of water, 4 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon powder, and a half an onion. Next, add all your ingredients in your Instant Pot. I am using the 6-quart Instant Pot and I'll go ahead and link it down below if you guys would like to check it out. Now go ahead and mix all the ingredients together. Now grab your lid and make sure it's on sealing. Now I'm going to press the pressure cook button and bring that up all the way to 30 minutes. And then once the 30 minutes is done, I'm going to let it naturally release for 15 minutes. Now our Instant Pot has been on natural release for 15 minutes, so I'm going to release the rest of the pressure and just go ahead and wait till that button falls down. Now you're safe to open your Instant Pot. And wow guys, check it out. These beans are ready to go. They are nice and soft. I gave them a taste test and they are also delicious. I hope you guys try this recipe. If you guys do end up trying this recipe, would you please leave me a comment down below? Let me know what you guys think. Also, if this video helped you, would you please hit that like button? And if you are interested in helping me grow my YouTube channel, would you please hit that subscribe button and notification bell? And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.